Hello friends, my name is Harpreet and welcome to my channel Let's Explore. So in this video we'll discuss about primitive data type in Java. So what is primitive data type? A primitive data type specifies the size and type of variable values. So here I'm declaring number of trees, it's the name of variable. This 120 is value of variable and data type here is int. This is a data type of a variable. So why do we need data types? So since Java is a statically typed language, unlike Python is a dynamically typed language. So that is why Java requires type of variable to be declared. So if we have Python here, so we don't have to declare int. We can directly write, number of trees equal to 128, and Python will decide at the runtime the type of the variable. But in Java, we have to declare the variable. So let's understand with the real world example. So let's say you go to coffee shop and you ask for coffee, but they ask you, okay, what is the size and type of the coffee, and then you say I want small mocha or large latte. In the similar way, you can relate with that, small with the bite, large, medium with the short, and large with the int, and jumbo with the latte. Just you can relate that one, and and then you can relate mocha with the integer type, and other cappuccino with some other data type, some like boolean. So let's go to the type of data type, primitive data types in Java. So there are total 8 primitive data types in Java. So 6 are numeric, one is boolean, one is char. And numeric is subcategorized into integral and floating data types. And now let's go to the what is integral data type. So it stores whole numbers. So if we go to byte, it occupies 1 byte memory, and its range is from minus 128 to minus 127. So in this way also floating data types, they store the decimal digits. Like float can store up to 6 to 7 decimal digits. Similarly, boolean stores true or false values, and char stores character, letter, or ASCII values. And now let's go the examples, like how can we define data types. So let's say we'll define byte right here. Byte, so the range of the byte is from minus 128 to 127, so we can assign it up to here 27. So let's say if if we want to store any digit with any whole number which is more than its range, let's say with the 128, so compiler immediately starts showing error, because it is out of the range. You can say it says this is a int, and so let's say I am now I'll try to now store uh, decimal number here, because it takes only whole numbers. Let's see what happens. 125.3. So it says, because this is a decimal number, right? So it says it's a double, so cast to byte, it's not taking this one because this is not a whole number. So in this way also, in the short also, short can take up, short's ranges from this minus 32,768 to 32,667. So this is an example of short. And then then long can this is the example of long, can take up to this number. Int can take up to this number, and then float takes decimal numbers, and the boolean takes true or false values only. So let's say if I want to store int value in boolean, let's say what happens. Let's say I'm trying to 130, right? So it shows error, it requires it to change to int or int, right? So the last is character. char values, so it represents this character, letter, or ASCII values. So you can see none of the other variables I have declared in the single quotes, right? This 125 is I'm not declaring in single quotes, but character we have to declare in the single quotes only. So we cannot write it without single quotes. So yeah, this is all about the primitive data types, and yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, uh, please like and subscribe my channel. Yeah, thank you all. Thanks.